Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.9% in the last session after gaining as much as 1% during the session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.8% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 5.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices settled down more than $1 a barrel, trading at 4-year lows, as recession fears exacerbated by the trade conflict between the US and China, the world's two biggest economies, offset a stock market rebound. The US dollar weakened against major currencies, including the yen and euro, while China's offshore yuan hit a record low amid trade disputes sparked by President Donald Trump's sweeping tariffs that have roiled markets for 3 days. Blockchain-based payments network Ripple announced it has acquired crypto-friendly prime broker Hidden Road in one of the largest mergers in the cryptocurrency industry to date. Ripple is acquiring Hidden Road in a $1.25 billion deal, the company officially announced.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 23:50 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 14:30 GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 6 GMT. Japan's producer price index will be released at 23:50 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 11 GMT. The US 10-year note auction at 17 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.